So in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the sideways figure of 8 as part of the figure of 8 series. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. As usual, please make sure you're warm first, go warm up, come back and see me. Loads of videos to choose from, so you have no excuses. Go warm up and then come back. Okay, so let's have a look at the movement first. So, lifts and drops. Hip lift, hip drop, hip lift, hip drop. We're going to do it with a soft contraction. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, change sides. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Classical position, this leg is on releve, this foot, the heel is flat on the floor. Lift, drop, lift, drop. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I want you to just do tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck. So I'm lifting my pelvis actually. Lift, drop, lift, drop. Try to keep it really low down, like bikini line, knicker line area. And I'd love you to try and keep this part of your belly jelly. So it's not wrong to contract the belly with the pelvis, it's just different, or a different variation. So I would like you to try and keep this part of the belly jelly, so that, or should I say really relaxed, so that you're only isolating here. What will happen is if you relax enough, this part of the belly will just pop out instead. So, you get a domino effect. I hope you can see that. That's an actual isolation. Yeah? So, ba, 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 ba. There's my isolation. Maybe you can see that. Yeah, and this part of my belly is really relaxed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. What you don't want to do, for the purpose of this exercise, is that, where all of it tightens. Yeah? Just contract. Lower. I say just like it's easy. I know that it might be challenging, so you just have to try. Okay, so maybe that's your first homework before you move on. Anyway, let's do some more. So you're now going to do, okay, so some people, I call this a sideways figure of 8, but some of my students say in their head they don't really see a figure of 8, which is totally fine. You might not either. So it's basically, you let your head draw whatever shape you see to help you get it, right? So I'm going, if I had a pen on this hip pointing at you, I'm going here, and up, and down, and up. So this is how in my head I see it as a figure of 8. But actually, this part is smaller, and this part is bigger. So it's like a little part and then a big part. Yeah? So you can try it and see. So, I'm in classical position, and if you can see my feet, I am basically one foot on releve and one foot down. The heel is on the floor. Okay, so from here, let's go into it. So, 7, 8, hip lift, twist, drop, lift, drop, and then back. It's almost like I'm pushing back that way. Then it goes up and over again. And drop, lift. Okay, so up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and up. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to let this leg really relax. Okay, all of your weight is on the back leg. Let's try again. 7 and front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, up, back, up. Breathe, long neck, shoulders down. Let's change legs. So, other side. And also, it's really normal to time one side feels easier than the other, right? So you might find one side flows more and one side gets a bit stuck. This is normal. It's normal. So let's go through with it. So bend, releve, and then flat foot on the back leg, the heels on the floor. This one's on releve, the heels off the floor like that. Okay, so, you know, I can this vision here as well. Let's do the figure of 8. Front, up, dip, back. So 1, 2. And then I'm keeping this leg really relaxed, so I can really scoop through the hips. So if you like my class, my videos, you should come and train with me in person in my studio, my classes. Let me meet you and teach you in person. If you can't, and you're somewhere else in the world, or you're working or whatever, you can take my classes online with me instead. All my courses are available. And it's like taking a class in person because all the lessons are filmed. So you get to study from one week to the other and learn with us as if you was actually in the class. So check it out, and you can transfer through the levels with us as well. And up, forward, back, and up and down, and up and down. And there's different angles so you can see different shapes and angles of the movement. So side, side, front to back. Keep this leg bent, never straighten it. And move. It's very internal, you have to use all of your muscles. So let's do 8 on each side. And then if you've not had enough yet, you can press rewind and do it again. So, up we go, this side first. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and front, back. 2, 3, 4, breathe, 5, 6, 7, 8, other side, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, sideways 8s, I call those. Part of the figure of 8 series. There's loads of different types of figure of 8s. So you can check them out and learn. Any questions, I think put them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you later. Bye!